You guys, let's make spaghetti bolognese for the boys. I, Hobby, and Favor, we had egusi soup with pounded yam. The boys, they don't like egusi soup. So this is me making something they will like tonight so that everybody will be happy. Now I'm gonna on my heat, add small amount of extra virgin olive oil, small amount. Now add your chopped minced onions and garlic. Garlic is very, very important. Stir, stir, stir. Now add some parsley, like so. Stir, stir, stir to release the fragrance as well. Now add your minced meat. Add seasoning cube and stir until the minced meat cooks very well. Now I'm going to add carrots. Stir, 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 stir. Now add your tomato sauce. Stir, rinse the jar. Add and stir. Taste for salt. Then cover and allow it to cook on a medium to low heat for at least 6 to 8 minutes on a low heat. Now proceed by adding salt in my boiling water for the spaghetti. Now I'm going to add my spaghetti like so, and now I'm going to stir it to prevent it from sticking together. Stir, 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 and allow it to cook according to package instruction. Let's test. Ready. I'm gonna off the heat and sieve it. Now I'm done sieving it. To prevent it from sticking, you can add some olive oil and it will give it that shine. Now the spaghetti, the sauce is ready as well. I'm gonna give Emmanuel. This is for Emmanuel sauce. Now top it up with some cheese and it's ready. Emmanuel, your food is ready. Top it with cheese, Daniel. I am done for the day. Bye.